Earning money with the referral program. Our application allows you to earn money by promoting the app. Every time a user registers through your referral link and subscribes to a paid plan, you earn a commission. You don't just earn once. Every time users who signed up through your link renew their subscription, you will receive a commission again. Those who register through your link will receive a discount on annual plans. If you have a social network, you can share your link to reach more people. How the referral program works. In the sidebar menu, click on Referral Program. In the submenu, click on Dashboard. At the top, you will see your exclusive link ready to be shared. Click on Copy Link to copy it. Check the pending commissions and payment history. Managing commissions and referrals. Click on the My Commissions submenu to view the details of your commissions. Click on the My Referrals submenu to track users who registered with your link. Click on the Payments submenu to view the payments made for your commissions. Practical example. Copy the referral link and open it in another browser. The link contains your unique code, and the user will be directed to the registration page. The user fills in the registration details. Sets up the application for the first time. He accesses the free version. He chooses a paid plan and enters banking details. He completes the subscription successfully. Verifying the commission. In the dashboard, refresh the page to check if there was a subscription using your link. The total accumulated earnings will appear. In this case, a single subscription. The pending payment total will be updated. The total paid will remain 0, as no payments have been made by MushBuckets Pro yet. In My Commissions, you can view the commissions in detail. In My Referrals, you will find the list of users who registered with your link. In Payments, you can verify the payments made, which in this case are still 0, as no payments have been made to this account.